Well, I got the call last night that my generator would not start. And this is how it's been stored for the last year. And it probably runs between 3 and 6 hours every day. So I don't doubt that it won't start, but let's find out why. What I'm going to do from here is pick it up, put it up on the tailgate of the truck, and park myself in the sun over here somewhere where it's nicer. But a little cold here in the shadows, so we'll get down there in a sunny spot and get a look at this thing. 3650 4500 Surge Champion. But what I'm about to do would apply to any generator. This one's about 5 years old. Oil's just fine. It's just touching the edge of the threads. So what's the next thing? Let's see what we got for fuel here. I'm not sure if this fuel is any good. All right, I've just wiggled off the clip, and I'm going to pull off this in a second and attach a hose drain. All right, what I'm about to do is put a wrench on the bottom of the bowl. There appears to be some kind of a plug here. So let's see if taking this off, well, no, doesn't want to turn. That does not want to turn. So I'm going to try then the, I got 2 Phillips screws here. Let's see if I can pop those off. Bingo! All it is a hole, a plug with a hole, so there's no real hardware to this. Because this machine should be gravity fed. I'll be right back. Before I go into the carburetor, just for the hell of it, and this might even be the wrong order of things, but I'm pulling the spark plug. Old.
Stop, Dusty, please.
I'm gonna clean it up and lay it out here and see if I got a spark. Okay, well, I've cleaned out, blown the fuel line, blown the vent line. I also pulled the spark plug. Let me put the filter back in so I don't forget it. And I've poured in a little bit of high test gas. Let's switch it to choke. On. Center. Settle out. It's got enough fuel. It sounds like it's okay, maybe running a little rough. Look, it's just started surging. kind of fuel issues, maybe in the carburetor. Okay, what I've tried to do is clean the little passages on this fuel metering thing on the carburetor. It's located on the top of the carburetor. I'll show you. It's damn near idiot proof the way it goes in. Let me see if I can do this better. Whoa.
It's about idiot proof the way it goes in. It's right here. And there's a little plastic screw that'll go on top of it to hold it in place.
I'll tell you what, let's see how it starts. All the pieces are in place again. Alrighty. Fuel valve on. Go to choke. Power on. Let's see how it does for a few minutes and I'll bring you back. Well, the generator's in its regular spot under load. I don't really hear any surging or anything. I think it's running okay now. Some kind of fuel distribution issue or bad fuel is what I would say, because I didn't really do anything mechanical to it other than just check fuel lines. This machine's got about probably close to 3,000 hours on it now. Original spark plug and just running.